this tutorial, you will learn where to find your save files and config files in Split Fiction. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Users. Open your username folder. Open the App Data folder. If you can't see the App Data folder, click on View, go to Show and select Hidden Items. Now open the App Data folder. Open Local. Open Split Fiction. In Safe Data, you'll find your saved games. To locate the config file, right-click the local settings and select Open With. Choose Notepad, and in here you will find your game settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.